Hello, my name is Audrey Williams of Audrey Williams Flowers to Interiors, and welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the Country Living series. And today, although it's not a lovely sunny day, one of the things we found living in the countryside is that there's always stuff to do in the garden, so that's what we're up to today. Here in my greenhouse, just looking at how well I've got parsnips coming up, I've got leeks coming up, and this is a new tray of mine that I asked for Mother's Day. And basically you've got soil in here, and then you can pot things up without getting soil everywhere. So these are beetroots, and if I take you over here, got some more beetroots here, and the lettuce is going well. We need to plant those out, and I've got spinach here that's going to be planted out as well. And up here I've got peppers and some cucumber as well. And over here I've got some tomatoes that I started. Ooh, lots to do. And we've got a pot that used to have a plant in, and here, wave Mr. Williams. And here Mr. Williams is emptying the pot to go into one of the beds because we don't need the plant in there anymore. So we're in the process of filling up the beds. So any pots that we have that's got extra soil, we're using to fill up the beds. We need to get them done before planting out. So I'm currently working on this bed, but managed to clear all the weeds and filling it up with soil so that I can plant out anything that's ready to be planted out. And it's such a big bed, it's taken quite a lot, but we've had in the past cardboard right at the bottom, and then there's been grass, grass clippings, leaves, manure, and that all sort of went in last year. And then we just have some soil left over from some other pots, and we're potting that in, and then we're just going to put like a top layer of soil, and then we can plant. And down the end I've got some onions that have just been growing away, and so that's what we're working on now. A favourite tool of mine, it's a kneeling bench, and it acts as a seat as well, so you can sit that way and then turn it that way to kneel down for when you're clearing any weeds. Love it. I'll link it below. So another thing we're working on is the paths. Just been clearing them. They've got they can get like weeds and stuff in them, and it's when dirt has kind of just blown over and then they get weeds. So I've managed to clear this one. I need to pick up some leaves, and then I'm clearing this one, and I'm also going to be clearing this one as well. And then this is the next big bed to work on. So I've got to wait for some dry weather to paint it, and then I've got this plastic here that I'm going to be lining it with. So it's already in there, so it's just a case of stapling it and going around. So a lot of work to do. Mr. Williams, would you say that that bed is ready now for us to be planting out in?
Yes, I'd say so. We've got enough compost on top now. So it's been building up layer by layer, including the well-rotted manure that we put from last year.
Yeah.
Which is below. Now you've just covered it with compost, so it should be well prepared now.
Okay. Thank you.
It's nice and needed.
Yeah, thank you. So it's pretty cold today, so we couldn't really stay in the garden that much longer. It was just like really cold to work on. So we've managed to get that big long bed ready for planting out, and then we'll be working on the other beds. So it's just a quick video today about how, you know, even in winter time and it's supposed to be spring now, we come out when it's cold to get everything ready for when we want to plant out to grow food. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so it will let you know when I'll upload the next one, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.